Hello and welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our billet aluminum valve stem caps and covers for the Can-Am Ryker. If you're looking to add a quick and affordable pop of color to your Can-Am Ryker wheels, then you may be interested in our billet aluminum valve stem caps and covers. Our Crown Series caps are available in a multitude of colors to match your bike's color profile, and simply replace the factory black plastic valve stem caps with a hard anodized aluminum cap that adds a touch of class to each wheel and looks great on both the factory Ryker wheels as well as our aftermarket PPA Ryker wheels. Now we also have our knurled aluminum valve stem caps that cover the entire rubber valve stem for a super clean look when installed on the factory Ryker wheels. Now these are also available in a variety of different colors to match your Ryker's color profile, including hard anodized colors, triple plated chrome, neochrome, and even a 24 karat gold plated option. So if adding a little bling to your Ryker stock wheels or aftermarket wheels is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set of valve stem caps for your bike. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.